Hello guys, today we're going to build on a previous example I made on using SQL map. So we're going to go back and deal with SQL injection in that vulnerable web application. First of all, I need the cookie session ID that I can find right here. We need this later. As of right now, I'm going to copy and paste it in a text file. Okay, I'm rerunning the command from scratch. This is the correct command. Now we know it's a PHP server, so I'm going to choose the default. At this point, we're going to add the web root directory. We know it's in apt lamp htdocs dvwa. And we got an error because it looks like we don't have write permission on that directory, which makes perfect sense. We shouldn't have. Now say somebody screws up and sets up the permissions on the document root folder that way 777. We shouldn't happen, but sometimes people do the dumbest stuff ever, like the recent breaches proved. And here we are. We got a shell. I can run commands on the web server. I can see the content of the document root folder. I can do pretty much whatever I want. And I can create a file called hacked just for fun. So at this point you see that I added a file to the directory. Now let's see what happens if I change the permissions back to 755. Of course I need to exit from my previous shell and rerun the command. Let's keep going as before. And you see that once again I don't have write permissions to the document root directory as it should be. Anyway, if you switch back the permissions to 777, we can notice that I not root, so the privilege escalation problem remains, and I wasn't able to have an interactive shell. Okay, so the only problem here is how to find the privilege escalation on the system. Other than that, I was able to successfully penetrate into the web server through SQL injection. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.